getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go. Hold on one second if you need help.
Okay.
All right. Let's go to Sid in Philadelphia. Sid.
Hello.
Hi, Sid.
Hey, Brad. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Brad, I do have a question. I'm U.S. citizen, and my parents are on visitor visa with me, and it's been 3 months, and I'm trying to file for their green card and adjustment of status.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question related to some documentation. So the name of my father on his birth certificate and my birth certificate is VJ Pai, while his name on his passport and marriage certificate is only VJ. So would it create any issue down the road?
It says VJ on the marriage and the passport, and on the birth certificate of him and you, it says VJ what?
Pai.
I with another letter?
Another 4-letter Pai, Bhai, Pai.
Oh, Pai. Well, I don't think it's going to be a problem. I think VJ and VJ Bai seems like similar. Just
okay.
What I would do is just have him write a letter explaining why that is, and the worst case scenario, the worst case scenario is they don't think he's your father, and you say I'll be willing to take a blood test and prove the DNA matches.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Brad. And Brad, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
His birth certificate is in dual language, native language as well as in English. So do I need to translate it into the English?
If it's in English and you have a certified birth certificate in English, it's fine.
Oh, perfect.
Right.
And once they accept the petition, if 6 months get passed, they will not be in out of status, right?
Yeah. As soon as they file the adjustment, they're in legal status.
Okay, and they don't need to leave the country after 6 months,
They
right?
shouldn't leave at all until they get their green card.
Oh, okay. And is it good to file online I-130 or paper form I-130?
File all the forms together, I-45. Don't do anything online. File an I-45, an I-130, an I-765, an I-131, an I-864, an I-944 all together in one package.
Thank you so much, Brad. I really appreciate you, and this is my 3rd or 4th call maybe, and every time you help me a lot.
My pleasure.
I really appreciate your
My pleasure.
help.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
Spread the word.
Yep, sure, Brad.
All right, let's go to Dean in Summit, West New Jersey. Dean.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good.
Yes, I have a concern. My wife is U.S. citizen, right?
Uh-huh.
And she filed for me the I-130 and the 485.
Right.
And right now, she just received a notice of action, the I-797, saying the petition was transferred to NVC.
Okay.
So I don't know. How U.S. citizen can transfer my case and to NVC?
Because you didn't file an adjustment application.
Yes, before.
You got to file the adjustment application now. So file an adjustment with the approved I-130. It'll get transferred back. Hold on if you need help. That's why it got transferred there. Hold on one second. All right? You need help. Let's go. Oh, Mrs. Woodley's back. Mrs. Woodley.
Yes, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry, I lost you earlier. I'm doing
worries.
good, thank you. I have a question. I missed a question on the I-130 form.
Mm-hmm.
I'm wondering what would they do about it. I missed question when they asked you, have you read everything? Before I sign it, they asked you, have you read everything to your knowledge? I did not. I forget to mark that.
Worst comes to worst, they'll send you back the form and ask you to fix it.
They won't deny it?
I don't think so. I mean, they have the right to deny it, but usually what they would do is if you miss one thing, usually they will give you an RFE and give you an opportunity to fix it.
Okay, it was actually 3 questions because my husband is worried. It was another question where it was just 3 questions. It was if they ask you, is your beneficiary your sister, brother, or related, or adoption? I forgot to mark yes or no, but in the beginning I did put he is my spouse.
Yeah, I don't think that matters. That's obvious. What's the last one?
Okay, that's okay. Okay. And the second one was that was the second one I told you. What about when is he supposed to sign it?
No.
It says
The I-130 signed by you.
Okay, but the second one, the I-130A, I sent with the I-130.
Yeah, I-130A he signs.
But he didn't sign it. He can't sign it. He's across seas.
Well, he signs it and sends it back. No, well, you don't need to do it if he's in another country. It's only for adjustment here.
Okay, yeah, he's in Hades, and I'm in Syracuse.
That's fine.
Okay.
Let me tell you what'll happen. If they have questions, they will send you an RFE. Don't worry.
To answer the question?
Yes.
Okay, I also forgot 41. Did you gain lawful permanent resident through marriage to USA citizen, lawful resident? It's blank.
You're not a permanent resident. You were born here, I assume.
Yeah, I'm a citizen, so I didn't even answer
You were
it.
born U.S. citizen, so don't worry about it.
Yes. Okay.
I don't know why I know that, but I already know that just from what you're asking.
Okay, so everything should be okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Brad. Do you have any updates on the USCIS? Because I've been calling for the last week, but I can't get them.
Do I have updates?
Yeah. Do you know if there is a backup or hold up? Because I called, but I can't get them on the phone.
Well, you're not even calling USCIS. You would be calling an outside contractor. So
yeah, but
yes,
I've spoken with them several times,
you could speak
but
to
I
them
can't get them on the
phone.
phone.
Speak to them till you're blue in the face. Not going to make you
Okay.
faster. So
thank you. Have a good night.
Okay, you're welcome. Let's go to Mark in Poughkeepsie. Mark.
Yeah, hello?
How are you?
Yeah, Brad, I have a 2-point question. I need some advice, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm married to a U.S. citizen, and my case was in filing since March of 2018. I came here on a C1D, and when she filed, they denied the I-131 and the I-145, something like that.
Yeah, because you came as a crew
But now
member.
the I-1, yeah, crew member, yeah.
You can't adjust as
So
a crew
now,
member.
I can't?
No. That's why you were denied.
Oh.
You have to file an I-130, then do the provisional waiver, visa process, and then go home and come back.
Yeah, but my I-130 is still pending, and it's saying I'm in queue for an interview. That's what I don't understand.
Well, they're going to interview you, and then you're going to do a provisional waiver and go home and come back. Because you filed it wrong.
Oh.
That's why.
Also, there's no way of not going home to come back?
You have to do a provisional waiver first. Not as a crewman, you cannot adjust your status unless you're 245I or unless your spouse is military or former military.
Okay. All right. So what if I should go home before the I-130 is approved and wait on it to be...
You'll have a 10-year bar. Sounds like you're doing everything wrong and you need a consultation. Hold on one second. You don't do that either. Hold on one second. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.